knowledge adventure. Have fun. Get smart.
Hello there, fellow YouTubers. Rocky54167 here, and here is the last video from the 6th anniversary, the floppy disk version of Undersea Adventure. My favorite game out of all the Adventure series. Now, I was a little surprised when I played the floppy disk version of 3D Dinosaur Adventure and noticed how similar the resolution was for the movies compared to the Windows version. So the other night, I fired up my Windows Millennium and was actually able to get my Windows version of Undersea Adventure completely working. Small story that doesn't matter. Back when I was in 4th grade and I was having issues with my Packard Bell, there would be some weeks when I'd play these games and the music would work, and then there'd be some weeks where I'd fire up the game and only the sound effects worked. I don't know why that happened, and that's why it was always nice to have the backup for the Windows version. And then, for the longest time, it seemed like my Windows versions were doing the same thing to the games. I don't know whether my Windows versions have been scratched up enough or whatnot, but I will say that in the original floppy disk version of Undersea Adventures, you'll see in here, there's only 5 movies. The Great White Shark movie is shorter, and the one thing that is similar to the Windows remake is in the treasure hunt screen. You have the manatees talk to you when you enter each room, which is what they did in the Windows version. They didn't do it in my version of the game. They didn't do it in the second version I bought, and I don't believe they did it in the Zoom platform re-release of the game. But anyways, without further ado, here's the floppy disk version of Undersea Adventure.
Can you find me? I'm a starfish. Can you find me? You're right. I'm a starfish. I'm an octopus. Can you find me? You're right. I'm an octopus. I'm a shark. Can you find me? You're right. I'm a shark. I'm an eagle ray. Can you find me? You're right. I'm an eagle ray. You're doing great. I'm a coral. Can you find me? You're right. I'm a coral. I'm a kelp plant. Can you find me? Who am I? Can you guess which animal this is a part of? You're right.
I'm a porcupine fish, and that's my face.
Can you guess which animal this is a part of? You're right.
I'm an octopus, and that's my suction cup.
Can you guess which animal this is a part of? You're right. I'm a jellyfish, and that's my tentacle. Can you guess which animal this is a part of? You're right. I'm a dolphin, and that's my dorsal fin. You're doing great! Can you guess which animal this is a part of? What do I eat? I'm a surgeon fish. What do I eat? I don't think so. Keep looking! I don't think so. Keep looking! I'm a surgeon fish. I don't think so. Keep looking! I'm a surgeon fish. What do I eat? I don't think so. Keep looking! I'm a surgeon fish. What do I eat? I don't think so. Keep looking! I'm a surgeon. What do I eat? I don't think so. Keep looking! I'm a surgeon. What? I'm cuckoo for coral. I'm a sponge. What do I eat? Now that's tasty. I most definitely prefer plankton. I'm a great white shark. What do I eat? I just love a good elephant seal. I'm a starfish. What do I eat? I don't think so. Keep looking. I'm a starfish. What do I eat? Yum! I dig scallops. You're doing great! I am an octopus. What do I eat? Marine Animal Lab. Arms. Gills. Stomach. Shark. Mouth. Gills. Dorsal fin. Snout. Undersea reference. Welcome to Undersea Adventure. Dolphin. Humpback whale. black-tip reef shark. Spotted moray. Sea snake. Lionfish. Sea urchin. Sea cucumber. Sunstar. Gray shark. Mackerel. Yellowfin tuna. Blue marlin. Barracuda. Amberjack. Grouper. White-tip reef shark. Napoleon wrasse. Saddle wrasse. Jewel anemone. Brooding anemone. Jellyfish. Coral. Yellow tube sponge. 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 Pink vase sponge. Starfish. Sea urchin. Bristle star. Sea cucumber. Brooding anemone. Anemone. Lion mane jellyfish. Squid. Octopus. Nautilus. Octopus. Squid. Red-lined clean shrimp. Hermit crab. Crab. Snapping shrimp. Parrotfish. Anglerfish. Hawksbill turtle. Green sea turtle. Green sea turtle. Seal. Harbor seal. Jewel anemone. Jellyfish. Anemone. Ewableni. Killer whale. Spinner dolphin. Spotted dolphin. Beluga whale. Undersea movie theater. Ocean tours. Coral reefs.
Coral reefs are beautiful places to visit. Many kinds of animals live there. Brightly colored fish swim together in schools. They spend their days looking for food. You have to be careful in a coral reef. Sharks. I am a shark. Would you be my friend? I didn't think so. You're probably scared of me. But I'm really not as bad as you think. Some of us are tiny. Some of us are giants, like this whale shark.
Marine mammals.
Marine mammals act almost like fish. They swim underwater. Marine mammals love to play, even when they are very big.
Odd couples.
Animals in the ocean can make the strangest couples. Some shrimp love to clean a moray eel's teeth, and the moray eel lets them.
"3D Undersea World." Hi, my name is Splash. I'm a manatee. I used to be a boyatee, but then I grew up. Little manatee humor there. Anyway, swim around. Check out the ambient aquatic environment. If you're in a gaming mood, click on the shark behind you. Don't worry, he won't bite. He just ate a boatload of tourists. Oh, excuse me. Hi, come on in. Have some kelp with us. I just love the way it slithers down your throat. Oh, you caught me. Normally, my skin changes color so fast that you can't even see me. I'm Nuda Brain. I give off a really bad smell that fish hates. My wife doesn't like it either. Now, wasn't that fun? Remember, click on that nasty old shark to start the game. Aloha oi! Come into the ocean.
Hey, did you see any sharks or barracudas nearby? I'm an amberjack, and those guys love to eat me. It's a good thing I'm fast and I swim in giant schools.
I'm a dolphin, and my brain is as big as yours. Scary, isn't it? Surfing USA! Come on, swim through and find the sunken treasure. But hurry, or your oxygen will run out. Swim fast. Avoid the predators. They lead the wrong way, and they zap your oxygen.
That was it. Again, thank you guys for the past 6 years. I really appreciate it. I think this year I'll be as active as what I was in 2009. And hopefully I'll get more videos up this year. Bug Adventure, Science Adventure 2, and more Adventure Series games. And maybe when I get a good screen recorder, the Windows versions of 3D Dinosaur, 3D Body, and Undersea Adventure, along with Jumpstart. Now here's a little something for you guys. It's something I just made. Nothing really too much, just a little special intro. I added it up. Thank you guys for the past 6 years. This is Rocky54167.
Knowledge adventure. Have fun. Get smart.